Today I'm going to be testing out Incredible Suds from DIY Detail. Let's see how it foams. I'm going to use the eye test here to precisely measure 1 ounce of product to about 1 liter of water. Let me know what you think in the comments or if you've tried it at all before. And if you want to try it out, make sure you use my discount code PMD to save 5% at Carzilla in Canada or 10% at DIYdetail.com in the USA. Frank with Platinum Mobile Detailing here. So what were my thoughts on Incredible Suds from DIY Detail? There was only one thing that I actually didn't like about it, and I'll tell you that at the end. I thought it foamed amazing. A little bit really does go a long way. Only needing 1 ounce and legitimately getting some crazy foam, I think that gives you a lot of value. I have found most soaps that I've tried, you can't get away with 1 ounce. You have to bump it up to 2 or 3 to get some really nice suds. So I think that really helps because this is a bit on the pricier side, but when you weigh the fact that you don't need as much of it, that helps offset that. It smells fantastic. It's not a big deal, but when you get a product that doesn't smell good, then it's a big deal. During the wash process, I found it felt really nice. At a pH of 8 or 8.5, it definitely has a little bit of extra cleaning power, but yet it's still safe if you have a ceramic coated vehicle. All in all, I really like it. I think it's probably my new favorite snow foam. So now the one thing I didn't like about it is it's a pretty thick consistency. It's not a big deal. It's not the first soap that's like that, and it's definitely not going to be the last, but there's an easy solution for that. What I like to do is grab a big gallon and pre-dilute it. So almost a gallon full of water, 4 ounces of Incredible Suds DIY Detail, pre-mix it, stir it up. When you need it in your foam cannon, all you got to do is just pour it right in. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more.